I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam corrupted update file issue. There are a couple of different methods to achieve this. So first of all, we have to open Steam. And the first thing we want to do is head on to the top left, click Steam, and then click Setting. From here on the left, click Downloads, and then scroll all the way down until you see Clear Download Cache, and then clear the cache. You will need to re-log into Steam after you've done this, so ensure that you know your login details. After you've done that, go back to Steam settings, and this time head to Storage, and in the top right, click the three dots and then select Repair Library. If after doing these two methods, you're still having issues, the last thing you can do is click on Library, navigate to the game that you're having issues with, right click on it, and then select Properties. From here on the left, click Install Files, and then select Verify Integrity of Game File. Depending on how big the game is, this may take a little while to process.